Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Seasonal fruits are nature's best gift and always the healthy choice for us. Certain fruits are best suited to preserve and use during the off-season, and one among them are the mangoes. We all cherish to have mangoes in all its form. Here in this video, we're going to make a homemade mango jam recipe. This homemade jam is made with just 3 ingredients, and it has no preservatives or colors used. Here I'm taking the ripe and sweet mangoes. Clean them and peel the skin. Let's de-seed and cut to pieces. Now we're going to blend them to make the fresh mango pulp. So then let's start with the cooking process. First, heat a pan or a wok at medium to low flame. Now let's pour in the mango pulp. Cook at low flame. And bring it to boil. Keep stirring in between. And allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. But remember to keep stirring continuously. Now we're going to add the second ingredient, sugar. You can use the white or the brown sugar, but white sugar helps to retain the bright color of mangoes. Mix in well. Here, sugar will help us to attain the jam-like texture, and it also acts as a preservative. So this is how it looks after 15 minutes of cooking. We can see it's getting thick. Now we're going to add the third ingredient, fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is a good source of pectin and is used in jams to prevent the crystallization of sugar. It makes a jam set in the right balance. Also, it acts as a natural preservative. Then we continue the cooking till we get the correct texture. The whole process may take about 30 to 40 minutes. You can see it's boiling and cooking well. Now there can be splashes of bubbles on boiling, so keep your face and hands protected. Just keep stirring in between. Let's now make a simple test to check for the correct texture of jam. Take a small plate and place a little of the jam into it. Slightly tilt it and look for any trace of water. So if it's cooked well, the jam will not flow and it will retain the shape. This helps us to know when the jam is perfectly done. Even though it looks like a runny consistency now, but on cooling it gets to the jam-like perfect consistency. So now we off the flame and keep to cool. This is how the jam looks like after 2 to 3 hours of cooling. It has set well and is ready for use. Now our last step is to bottle the jam for storage. Always use a clean and sterilized glass jar. It stays well for about 6 months in cold climates. But if you're staying in hot and humid areas, then it's best advised to store in refrigerator. This homemade mango jam tastes much better than the store-bought ones. You will definitely love this if you give it a try. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.